So mix your epoxy resin according to the instructions and pop some thick tape behind your bezel piece if it's an open backed bezel, and select the little flowers that you want to put in there. They have to be dry, otherwise they might go a little bit funny in your piece over time. Place them where you'd like them to be. I'm just going to add a tiny little bit of this iridescent powder in a couple of swirls in my piece, just to add a little bit of extra effect, a little bit of shimmer within the piece. So I'm just popping that there where I want it to be, all the time just making sure your piece stays in the same place. Once that's gone hard, or the resin is at least tacky and the flowers are in place, then you can mix a second little pot of resin and gently pour it on top. And then all you'll need to do is make sure you gently level it up to the edge of your bezel, and you should just get this really nice perfect finished on the top, and the resin should go right up to the edge of your bezel. So I'm just gently encouraging that there. And then the next stage is to remove your tape from the back of your piece and use some fairy liquid, washing up liquid or something like that, just to get the stickiness off the back. And that's it. That is your really pretty summer pendant, and you've preserved some lovely flowers there. I really hope you enjoyed this project. Any questions, do ask. Come and find me. I'm Kaz@gemlettuce.com. Subscribe to my channel. It would be really lovely to see you again.